Subscribe to Film Companion for your film fix. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
पूरी दुनिया में आज तक कभी कॉन्डम्स के ऊपर फिल्म नहीं बनी है. एंड हाउ वियर्ड इज दैट, स्पेशली बीइंग इन इंडिया. हमारी जनसंख्या मतलब हम 200 करोड़ टच कर जाएंगे यार. मतलब ये कोई बॉक्स ऑफिस की कलेक्शन नहीं है गाइस, जो हमें पहुंचना है. इट्स नॉट दैट. इट्स नॉट अ ब्लडी ये कोई बेंचमार्क नहीं है. प्लीज गेट दैट राइट. Okay, so this is a song which I was singing to her when she was in the tummy, and I just sang this to her last night, and she was suddenly kind of thinking, oh my god, I've heard this.
No, I'm sure.
And goes like, तू जो कहे जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, गीत तेरे बोलों पर लिखता चला जाऊं, लिखता चला जाऊं.
Shakti Khurana, welcome back to Spill the Tea, and many congratulations on the birth of your baby girl.
Thank you so much. I have two babies coming out, this week. One is already out, Arzoy A. Khurana, my little daughter, and my film Helmet. तो मतलब दो बच्चे बाहर निकल रहे हैं, एक में हेलमेट पहना, एक में हेलमेट नहीं पहना. So it's like that.
But first things first, have you found the words to describe the feeling yet? It's 3 days now.
No, I still haven't. I think, see, this is definitely by far the most beautiful day of my life. But if I have to describe that feeling of holding her in my arms, I can't do that. I can't do it. मुझे पता ही नहीं है मैं क्या बोलूं. It's beyond words. Definitely, literally beyond words.
Well, I know that feeling, so I can't pry much further. But what have the past 3 days been like for Akriti and you? Have you figured out how to?
I haven't slept. I haven't slept at all. I haven't slept at all. So whatever half decent I'm looking, if at all I am, it's only the stylist and the hair, and the hair dada and the makeup dada. Thank you so much, my team.
You look amazing.
Thank you so much. And I think that happiness looks amazing, when you have a daughter in the house. I'm telling you, Sneha, we had not thought about a boy's name. हमने सिर्फ girl का ही नाम सोच रखा था. Can you believe that? And it's also because I think we as boys, as sons, we don't have an emotional cord. I think we are just wired so differently that we just can't. हमारा level of responsibility, commitment, emotion, सब कुछ is just वो मतलब off है थोड़ा vis-a-vis, as compared to girls. And मैं आपको एक छोटा सा example देता हूँ quickly. A couple of weeks back, me and Ayushbhai were having lunch. This is just before he left for Dr. G's shoot. It was me and Ayushbhai and Viraj and Varushka. Kuku was in Chandigarh and Bhabhi was also, I think Chandigarh ही था उस time पे recce के लिए. So we four were sitting and having lunch, and I suddenly, said to the domestic help, मैंने कहा पायल मुझे जरा दही देना. And Varushka is eating from her plate, कटोरी उठा के, चाचू आप मेरी दही ले लो. Viraj didn't even listen. उसको पता ही नहीं चला कि मैंने दही मांगी है. See, as much as I love my nephew as well, of course, my all my football bonding happens with him. But that giving attitude and even listening to the fact that Chachu needs something, it is just so inborn in women. And in hearts of hearts, I was always praying that, okay, I want Arzoe in my house. And touch wood, God has been very, very, very kind. So yeah.
Yeah. It is amazing, but it's also mildly ironic that you're promoting a film about condoms and you just had a baby. How is the film's marketing team dealing with this?
But Sneha, in my defense, I used Helmet for about 7 years. Okay, I got married in 2014. It's 2021 right now, and clearly lockdown में shoot हो नहीं रहा था. And touchwood, I had worked hard enough to save up a little money that I can take care of my finances. So I thought this is the right time, and we were in Chandigarh chilling, and yeah, chilling quite a lot. So you're like, is raat ke liye helmet? Okay, bye.
But apart, jokes aside, this is your first film as lead hero, and it really is a big deal. I remember our chat in Mumbai where we got chai at a tapri. I'm going to link that in right up there for those of you who haven't watched it. But you talked to me then about the joy it gave you when people came up to you and said, thank you for the respect that you gave the hero ka dost. You know, what did 5 years of playing every shade and form of the hero's best friend, how did it prepare you for today?
I think it just made me a better actor and a more secure and a more secured actor. And also, even after being in the lead, I would like to believe and you know, Pranutan and Ashish and Abhishek will be able to, you know, वो एक और मुझे लगता है दिल से कह पाएंगे ये बात that you know we were always together as a team, and there was never a day where I kind of wanted to do a little more than what was written on the script. I think because I've been on the other side as well, and you know I have seen people doing a little more, and which in a way थोड़ा balance खराब करता है वो writing का.
What does that mean?
It means that a lot of times people try to do a certain character in a more heroic way, you know, which spoils the writing, so to say, at the first point. It spoils the writing, it spoils the mood also sometimes. And I'm not saying it happened on my specific film. I've been on sets enough, you know, and I have enough friends around to tell me what's happening on each set.
I'll tell you.
So
Varun Dhawan once said in an interview with us, where if the script says lift the glass, just because you're a hero, you know, you just have to do this, but you just want to do this and just have a go at it.
As much as I totally adore him, you know, I was not kind of talking about Varun. He is more than a brother to me. But yeah, it is like that, you know. You have to, you know, pick up a glass in a way that, okay, no one else can pick up the glass the way I picked up. और कोई ऐसे glass उठा नहीं पाएगा. So, yeah, I mean, I just picked it up like this and I had water. Vis-a-vis. पानी पी लूं मैं जरा. So yeah.
But listen,
अच्छा सुनो स्नेहा, इससे पहले बाद में आप बोलो, आप जब ऐसे आते हो तब बिल्कुल करेक्ट है, जब पीछे जाते हो आपका हल्का सा पीछे एक हेयर आया हुआ है, बाद में यू लव मी फॉर दैट, वो उसको ठीक कर लो, नीचे कर लो उसको आप पीछे से, ए और पीछे भी. ये
I should thank you. And while we're at it, आपका भी थोड़ा frame ऊपर करना, look into the camera.
ये देखो. Okay, it is good. See, I'll tell you, this is what I meant actually. I'm taking care of what my, you know, co-actor or, you know, somebody who else is there in the conversation with me. Okay, उसके बाल ठीक नहीं लग रहे हैं, मैं check कर देता हूँ. So, you know, I mean, that's what I said, you know.
There was no better way to explain it, by the way. Thank you.
You just said it कि यार कैसे अपार बाकी सारे जहाँ आपने characters play करते हुए आए हो, how does it prepare you for this day? This is how it prepares me for this day. It makes me a better human being. It makes me a better co-actor. It makes me a better performer. It just helps me to be in the character in the best possible way and not do anything extra. Touch wood. And I don't think so I've done anything extra.
Wow. But there's also a song in the film that says, "Arey main to hero ban gaya. Arey mera band baj gaya." Talk to me a little bit about kitni band baj jati hai when the responsibility is on your shoulder.
Well, first of all, we don't have cinemas right now, so we don't have to think about the 100 crore clubs. It is a blessing in disguise, I can say. I mean, if at all you have to put it that way, you know, because, you know, in the very first film, you've come out of, you know, about 8 to 9 films where you have played, you know, smaller parts, and, you know, you don't want to feel pressurized. It is a craft which I want to enjoy. मेरे को नहीं pressure लेना है यार, ये मतलब ऐसे numbers का. Of course, I mean, it's neither I'm in a space, I'm not an A-lister where people think about 100 CR club, but at least people would talk about numbers. If I'm talking about numbers, Touchwood, we have sold our film, you know, and Touchwood पैसे कमा चुके हैं. So that gives me a lot of, you know, security. And also, I think OTT is a platform where people do watch all sorts of cinema, all sorts of, you know, genres, and हर तरीके की फिल्में, हर तरीके के shows लोग देखना चाहते हैं. And thankfully ours is a space where, you know, there is a blend of really nice actors, there is a blend of a very relevant world. Imagine Sneha, पूरी दुनिया में आज तक कभी condoms के ऊपर फिल्म नहीं बनी है. And how weird is that, especially being in India? हमारी जनसंख्या मतलब हम 200 करोड़ टच कर जाएंगे यार. मतलब ये कोई बॉक्स ऑफिस की कलेक्शन नहीं है गाइस, जो हमें पहुंचना ही पहुंचना है. इट्स नॉट दैट, इट्स नॉट अ ब्लडी, यू नो, ये कोई बेंचमार्क नहीं है. प्लीज गेट दैट राइट. सो आई थिंक इट्स वियर्ड. इमेजिन इस हमारे एक ऐसे देश में जहां पर जनसंख्या इतनी ज्यादा है, कितनी 120-30 करोड़ जो भी, यू नो, वहां पर हम अभी तक पॉपुलेशन की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम बात करते हैं दैट फिल्म्स हेल्प अस एंटरटेन एंड आल्सो गेट, यू नो, inspired in one way or the other to do better things in life, to get more maturity and you know, अभी तक हमने उस पर फिल्म नहीं बनाई है, बातें नहीं करी हैं. So yeah, this is the first step. And also imagine, if I can tell you the numbers, in India only 5.26% of the male population use condoms. Imagine how obnoxious is that. 95% boys don't use a condom. Do you know this?
Obnoxious.
It is obnoxious. So यार, हम तो मतलब आप छोटे शहरों में, छोटे गांव शहरों वगैरह में जाओ, छोटे शहरों में 10-10 मतलब बच्चे हो रहे हैं गांव में यार, लोगों के. अभी भी गांव में अभी भी लोग क्रिकेट टीम बना रहे हैं. It's not something to be proud of.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And I think thankfully Z5 has that reach to, you know, कि हर गली कूचे में पहुंच सके आपकी फिल्म. और जिन लोगों को वो देखनी चाहिए, समझनी चाहिए, वो समझें in a non-preachy way, in the most entertaining way. It's definitely, you know, entertainment and information. ये infotainment वाला ही, you know, I think product है हमारा.
Yeah, और infotainment के साथ it's also very socially relevant, and it falls into the category that your big brother has now patented, I must say.
Yes.
So,
yes.
What were his thoughts on the trailer? Is it Big Brother approved?
Yeah, touch wood, we don't even have one single negative comment in the, you know, in the in the comment section. Touch wood, that really blesses the film and gives us the confidence that we have, you know, that we have worked hard in the right direction.
You're checking.
He touch wood, huh?
You're checking.
यार of course PR टीम चेक करके बता देती है यार, एक भी गलत कमेंट नहीं है. I was like, yeah. So yeah, and you know, no one has trolled the film or any particular scene or the faces of the film. So touch wood, which means we are in safe hands. And talking about Ayush Bhaiya, touch wood, he gave a huge thumbs up. But having said that, comparing, you know, this film to his earlier films will be unfair, because he's been a flag bearer of such films, you know, and I mean, it's definitely something, you know, he has inspired not only me. Why should I मैं सिर्फ मैं ही क्यों इस bracket में fall करूं? So many other actors, filmmakers, producers. He's inspired the audience to have a paradigm shift.
Yeah.
In the sense कि वो कैसे फिल्में देखते हैं, कैसे रिसीव करते हैं, क्या ओवरऑल, you know, छवि है फिल्मों की, फिल्म मेकिंग की, स्टोरी टेलिंग की. I think he's been a flag bearer of that, and he has become an A-lister, if I can straight away say it without any, you know, without being too loud about it. But I mean, this is what it is. He has become an A-lister through that journey, जो और कोई नहीं कर पाया. So touch wood, yeah. I mean, he has worked. You know, he's really worked hard for it. And yes, I mean, I have no qualms in saying that he inspires me in so many ways. So yes, I mean, it's a film which belongs to his kind of space. But having said that, it'll be unfair to compare, you know, this film to any of his films.
I know you're downplaying this whole lead hero wala angle, but I want to know a little bit from you, Ki, have you noticed how the hero gets treated differently on set?
Yeah, देखो ऐसा है, ये जो downplaying वाली बात करी है ना, that's me in real life. I've been that guy. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it just comes naturally to me. It's not something I'm pretending. You met me earlier as well. I've never kind of, you know, given any extra front foot to my drives, you know, on the cricket field. It just the kind of front foot it requires. That's about it, you know. And I think हाँ थोड़ा बहुत फर्क आता है. But having said that, I think once
अलग होता है ना.
हाँ.
Call time अलग होगा.
नहीं, more than the call time, I think you just there are a few things, you know, which kind of make you realize, oh, okay, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा importance मिल रही है. But having said that, once you reach the film set, you are just lucky, that character in the film. You're not a Parshakti anymore. I think that's what I have learned. That's what I've learned from, Aishbia. That's what I learned from Ranbir on the football field. And these guys are seniors, and there's lots to take from them, professionally, personally, and I think yeah, I mean, these are the two people I would kind of, मैंने अभी भी इससे पहले भी example उन दोनों को ही दे रहा, दोनों के ही दे रहा था. मैं real life में भी उन्हीं दोनों की बातें करता हूँ. And I would really want to kind of get inspired by them in so many ways. You have to see Ranbir on the football field to realize that he is how he's not Ranbir Kapoor on the field. He's just a team player. He's just a sports person. So yeah, I mean, that's what we do on a film set as well, and I'm hoping that it continues to be like that, and I don't become corrupt, because that's when all the calculation starts, and you fall prey to a lot of bad things.
Oh, what do you mean? What corrupt? What can corrupt an actor?
What can corrupt an actor? That reaching a set thinking that you are the lead in the film. Reaching a set thinking you're an A-lister now. Reaching the set thinking, oh, I have, dash million followers. Whatever. It जो भी आपको लाइफ में किस तरीके की हाई दे रहा है, I mean, yeah, reaching the set with that attitude. I think that's what corrupts you as an actor, and your craft will definitely go for a toss if you have that going in your head.
But don't you pause and pat yourself on the back for an achievement?
Never. Yeah. Very honestly, never. Because yeah, we have seen legends of this craft, phase out in the most, heartbreaking way, for the lack of a better word, we have seen them phase out in a very
unfortunate way. Yeah.
Unfortunate way, and this is one thing I say to myself. I don't know if we have spoken about it earlier, on camera or off it, that I really pray to the good Lord that give me the reality check to call it quits. मुझे बस ये बता देना कब मुझे अब नहीं करना है इसके बाद, because it is such a vicious circle. You never want to say no. You never want to say no. So, and especially in a country where a 50-year-old actor romances a 20-year-old actress. How do you know? How do you have the reality check? So I mean, I just got goosebumps while kind of saying that. I mean, I'm shocked to my bones that कि हमारे देश में तो कोई नहीं कर पाया है वैसे. हमारे देश में कोई नहीं कर पाया ऐसा. सिर्फ एक इंसान है जिसको करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. That's Amitabh Bachchan, and that's touchwood. God bless him. I mean, he has been the legend which he is. And उसके बाद उनसे पहले उनके बाद किसी को नहीं हुई है वो वो जिंदगी नहीं मिली है किसी को. So yeah, I mean, that's what I meant.
Yeah. Also, having your first child, I'm sure, makes you introspective and vulnerable. So I want to know from you, what kind of dad do you want to be?
Yeah, first of all, in 3 days I can see a change in myself. Sneha, I'm not kidding. I have never taken an off. I hate taking an off on a Sunday. I make sure that I work on 18th November, that's my birthday. I make sure that I work on 1st of January, that's the first day of the year, so that good work should follow. I'm that guy. That's what my father taught me. And I've seen him doing that for, so many years. But today is the first day that I've resumed work after the delivery, and I didn't feel like coming to office. मैं घर से कर नहीं सकता था because मैं ऊंचा बोलूंगा या ऊंचा हंसूंगा. जितना ऊंचा मैं हंसता हूँ, she will wake up. So, and I didn't feel like leaving her. I was like, नहीं यार, I mean, एक दो दिन और spend करके जाता हूँ. And what kind of dad I would like to be? यार, to start off with, I changed her diapers yesterday. And I'm very proud of that. I'm very happy about that.
Proud of you.
I'm very happy about that.
I'm proud of you.
So, yeah, that's the kind of dad I would like to be. Changing diapers, taking care of, taking care of her schedule, whatever she wants. Yeah. So, especially when I'm home, So, yeah, that's about it.
You're already blushing. It's adorable. And I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
I mean,
go
that's what
without
daughters do to you.
Yeah, they're special, I'm sure. But I'm not gonna let you go without asking you to dedicate and sing a song to Arzoe.
Oh my God. Okay, so this is a song which I was singing to her when she was in the tummy. And I just sang this to her last night. And she was suddenly kind of thinking, oh my God, I've heard this.
No, I'm sure.
And goes like, तू जो कहे जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, गीत तेरे बोलों पर लिखता चला जाऊं, लिखता चला जाऊं, मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा. So yeah.
She's a lucky girl.
Thank you so much, Sneha, for
beautiful.
always kind of bringing out the best in me. I've had most organic conversations with you, and not very often I think a journalist can kind of bring that out of an artist. And thank you so much for giving that comfort level. Thank you so much for keeping it always very organic and very to the point.
Listen, thank you for always being so generous with your
Love you.
answers. It was my pleasure entirely. I can't wait to do this in person. Let's get out of Zoom boxes now.
Yes, please come to Chandigarh soon. Chole Bhature, they're waiting for you. They're waiting for you. So yeah, मैं देख रहा हूँ आप ना मतलब पिछले 1-2 साल से ना you kind of आप भी अपने लीड के लीड रोल में पहुंच गए हो. I can see hair well placed and अलग dresses आ रही हैं, makeup totally in place, she's getting prettier. So yeah, I can see that. Let's walk hand in hand.